Hey guys, this is Deepak, and in this video, we are going to discuss what are different instance types which are available in RDS. Some of the key instance type and some other concepts are going to be discussed. So, one of the key advantage, as we know, is RDS can help you to create a lot of different databases very easily. You can host all this variety of databases, but we don't have self access. You don't have that access. That's a good reason not to have it. You don't need it. Everything is managed. All the important DB, all the critical and required services to manage DB, all are done by AWS. And you can control using the CLI command. So why do you need it? Don't they? That's why they don't give access. And you can access using just the ARN, the access resource identifier. To understand more about ARN, check out the ARN video under the general section of my playlist. So you can see that this is created, this is a account number, this is the region, and this is the RDS instance, and this is the name of the RDS instance. So you can get an ARN to connect to your RDS resources. And what type of instances are available? So you have, say, you have many types, like you have the different types, or like you have a memory optimized instances which are giving you very good throughput for your memory intensive, like you have the DBZ1D or an X1, which has a RAM of wow 2000 gigs, or a memory optimized R5 and 2 instances. Or you can use these instances which offer amazing performance for heavy loads like the DBM5, 4, and 3, and M1. This is the M1 was original series, and the next generation are like the DBM3 version, followed from DBM3. We have the DBM4 version. M4 has been followed by the M5. So you have all these versions. You have all these instance different types. High-end instance type, which have large number of CPUs and RAM, lot of CPUs and RAM, which are these services, the instance type are available for you to use. So you have so many instance type options for designing your high volume workload. So think about it, you can have so many options. And basically there are some concepts that are there, some concepts that are relevant when selecting the instance types. So you have say the number of virtual CPUs you can select. You can should decide based on some features like the number of virtual CPUs that you need, or the number of threads that exist for CPU, or elastic compute unit as an integer processing power of the CPU. So you have these features which you think about when you decide what instance that you need for your workload. And then you have the memory, how much memory you need, what is the whether it is a virtual private cloud only kind, or whether this is an EBS optimized, you need an optimized EBS instance, or what is a max bandwidth and network performance that you expect. So you have all these different factors that you have to consider, many things to consider when you decide a DB instance type. So these are little high-end stuff, concepts that an IT architect who is designing your AWS solution at high level, they will look at all these things to decide on the instance type they need, what type of instance they need to decide their solution. So it is good to know, you should know these things about how to decide RDS. It will be useful in clearing certifications as well to understand what factors are needed. So thank you for watching. I'll come back with another video on AWS concepts soon. Bye. Thank you.